Once we hide all the ends, our beanie is completed and looks very nice. Just to summarize, we did 10 rows and 1 flower on the top. The first 6 rows we did not reduce stitches. The next 4 rows we reduced stitches. The ending is just adding 1 flower of 5 petals. Let me know if you have any challenges to finish. I would love to help you with that. And this is great beanie, perfect for just making a gift to yourself or to a loved one. If you're interested in making the same stitch in the beret, I will make tutorial how to start from the top instead of how we were making here from the bottom up. So stay tuned, and thank you so much for working with me. Please share your finished project. I would love to see them.